Hi, I'm Dr. Christina Harsant, a board-certified general surgeon with Trinity Health IHA Medical Group. My clinical interests revolve around robotic hernia surgery, and I also perform general surgeries, like lump and bump removal, gallbladder procedures, and anti-reflux surgeries. My goal is to offer the best care possible, tailored to each patient's unique needs. I follow a shared decision-making approach, where I provide my patients with all the information needed to understand their options. We talk through every aspect, helping each patient arrive at a decision that feels right for them, because no two patients are the same. It's crucial to feel informed and comfortable, both with your surgeon and your surgical plan. Surgery can address many issues, but it's essential to remember it's a significant and permanent decision. My path to becoming a surgeon was guided by my desire to be a helper in my community. I've always loved working with my hands, so surgery was a natural fit. Since preschool, I've known I wanted to be a doctor. And now I'm a mother myself. I have 5 little boys who are 8, 6, 4, and twin 2-year-olds. They haven't quite decided on becoming surgeons themselves, but our family enjoys the adventures of wake surfing, camping, and biking. I'm deeply committed to caring for our community. If you're seeking a surgeon who'll be your partner in finding the best option, I'm here to guide you and provide you exceptional care. Together, we'll work towards your well-being and a healthier tomorrow. I look forward to helping you on your journey to better health.